So today is the 4th December 2020 and we are getting together to run our bars on our own. How much of
Well, can
magic
we have
is
a video
that?
calling? Can we make a video call? हो सकता है?
Video call.
Hmm?
We always make a video call, but it doesn't get uploaded. So I'll try it. Okay.
Thank you.
So what is bars? Everything that is gifted to you in the bars is applicable. Please, could you all mute yourself? All are muted. Okay, so I think it's my phone doing ting, ting, ting. What do I do with it? Come on. I don't know if it'll go off or not. Okay, so uh, everything that we learn from the bars is actually applicable in our lives, no matter what. If you did nothing, if you did nothing but bars, in a long run, you and people who you do it to, they would become conscious. These classes just exponentialize the speed with which change occurs. The change will occur anyway, even if you don't take any class. If you just get your bars run, if you just regularly get your bars run, you will don't have to do anything. You can do it to exponentialize your life and your reality and your body and your being, but it's a choice. But bars create a computer virus that eventually destroys and uncreates the the computer bank called your mind. Your mind is the one which is always having limitations, always stopping you from creating your life, always going forward. It will hold you back. No, you shouldn't be doing this. This is not right. That should not be done. This should be done. How did you do that? You shouldn't have done that. What will people say? All those things your mind keeps feeding you with. And when you get your bars run, the mind just fades away. Not that you won't know it, but it won't have a charge on it. You won't forget anything, but anything that you are holding on to will not have any charge. You will be free to choose in the now. So there are 32 points on our head, with when gently touched, effortlessly and easily release anything that does not allow you to receive. These points contain all thoughts, ideas, belief systems, emotions, considerations you have stored in any lifetime after lifetime. So this is an opportunity for you to let go of everything. Each bar session, if you get a bar session done, releases 5 to 10,000 years of limitations in the area of your life that responds with this specific bar. Like you have a money control creativity. So any limitation, any point of view, anything that you have around money, points of views, money doesn't grow on trees, you have to do hard work, money, all those shit things that we have learned, lies that we have learned and made them our own, they all, Rain is waiting. So hi guys, new ones which have added, welcome. So are you willing to release all the shit that you have been piling up in your head from lifetime after lifetime? Is it working for you? Would you like to get rid of it? Who all would like to get rid of it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So bars in an incredible nurturing and relaxing process. I mean, just the thought of getting my bars run, just the thought of I'm going to get my bars, I'm going to run my bars today. The morning has been so beautiful. It's been so relaxing, so nurturing. And when I get it done, how much of undoing of limitation in every aspect of my life it's going to uh, benefit, it's going to contribute to you, to me. So everywhere that you have, who all haven't done bars? I know Aarti hasn't done.
I had done it.
Mom's done it on me, but like I haven't done it on myself. It's been long.
So you haven't, but then you experienced it, right? Did Aarti, did you experience it?
Yes, Masi had done it once for me.
Oh, Masi, Jagat Masi. So what was the experience, Rohit?
I think I felt a little light.
Cool.
Yeah, as far as I
And Aarti, you?
Yeah, even I felt lighter. But yeah, I had got it like I think 1 year, 2 years back. So that was really long back.
So how much of your life do you spend, how much of your life do you spend doing, DOING, doing rather than receiving? It's all do world.
Should it be the
So
opposite?
is your life exactly where you would like to have it? Everything that you desired? And then some more. So if you are willing to receive lot more, maybe do a little less. What are you talking about, Kamal? Do it less. You have to do more to get more. That's the lie we have been bought, we have been fed with, we have been trained and ingrained with. So the bars will allow, and so much more will show up in your life that you can't even imagine. Bars have assisted many, 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 many people on the planet. Now I think millions. And this pandemic has really, during pandemic, I couldn't get my bars run often, but otherwise, all these last 8-9 years, I have had my bars run at least 3 times a week. So are you willing to choose you? What if choosing you was just a choice? So who all think that it would be fun to know of the possibilities that you have and get it with total ease, joy, and glory? Who all believe that they can have it? Rohit wants it. Fiza wants it. Do you also believe that you can have it? Gitu believes. All of you believe. Good. So let's start with any questions before we go forward?
does it make a difference, or is it better someone else doing it on you versus you doing it on yourself?
1,000 times better.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean it's 1,000 times better when the food is laid on the table and you have it. But you would cook for you if you didn't have it. Wouldn't you? By this time, living abroad, you must have learned to cook.
Yeah, I
You
try
would
to
have
avoid.
men in India don't do it. They've got their mothers and sisters to cook for them.
Yeah, next time
Yes.
Rohit is down, he's gonna cook for all of us.
Yes.
That's not
And
Rohit.
so Rohit, you'll have to have one leg in Singapore and one in India.
Yep.
So it's good. It's good to run them yourself if you can't get them run from somebody else. So let's play with access tools. One big tool, one body work called bars. It is so refreshing and it's so contributory to us and to us. It's so beautiful that when you run somebody's bars, yours are getting run too. So you have double benefit from that. It's like erasing a hard drive or defragmenting your brain, throwing out all the stuff that's not working, all the thoughts, feeling, emotion, judgments, limitations, considerations, whatever you have from you've been carrying from lifetime after lifetime. Your body vanishes, but you don't. So you carry the shit to the next lifetime. It ain't serving you anymore. And you would like it to let go of it. Sometimes some words come out of your mouth, you feel, oh my God, I don't believe in this now. How are they come out of your mouth? Because they are stored here. They are like cookies on the computer. They'll just pop up when you don't want them at all. So when you get your bars run, there is more space in your head, in your life. Then you can create your life from the way you want it. There are no blocks, boulders. You unravel them, you unlock them, you unload them. So many, you will feel so light. Now, Kamal, shut up and let us run the bars. I get the information so fast. So, the first is you put 3 fingers on your third eye and you put the other hand, whatever is comfortable for you, you put it where the neck ends and the head starts. That's the power band. So this is called the energy pull. This is called this is pull, where you pull the energy from the universe into your feet, up through your legs, your abdomen, your chest, your arms, and out of your crown. So you just hold it till you get the energy moving in your body. These are for free flows of energy in your body so that you can receive the bars easily and effortlessly. So when your hands, both your hands have a sensation under the hand or the tips, you are done. It can take few seconds to a minute or two maximum. Everybody ready to move? Everybody felt the energy?
Couple 3 people waiting out.
I couldn't see anyone.
4 now, 4.
Can you ask them to click again, please? Thank you. So the second is where you put your middle finger on the ball of the foot. This is the foot, this is the ball, right under the bump here. Can everybody see it?
Yes.
Luckily my feet are clean. Okay. So you put your middle finger, the bigger finger, there on both the feet. And also there's another way of doing it when you're doing it yourself. You can even, when you had your hands here, you could even visualize that you were keeping your hands on your feet and you were pulling the energy from the universe into your crown, into your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, groins, legs, and out of your feet, or out of your, from your feet to your hands and out of your crown. The same thing can be done while you are doing this. Both the things can be done at that same time. Or if you prefer, you can put your fingers, if you're easy with it. Some people can't have their feet close to them. So you put these two big fingers, the ball of the foot, and run. And it's the same with this. When your hands feel the sensation, it could be anything. It could be throbbing, it could be tickling, anything. Everybody experiences differently. And you're done. So the third energy pull, we do 3 energy pulls to have a free flow of energy in the body. But you can also do just one. If you have been doing bars since long time, doing one would work. Not for the client. When you're doing it for the client, you have to do all the 3. We suggest that you do all the 3. But for yourself, you can just do one if you're regularly doing it. Do it for a little longer time, maybe 2 minutes. Once you have that free flow of energy in your body, now the third one is you put your middle finger in the palm of your hand and you put the other finger in the other palm of your hand, like this. The same you do with for the client, like this for them, and for yourself you do this. Everybody got it? Please, you can stop me. Anybody has any question, anybody wants to ask me what it is, what you don't get, please, please, please. Questions are always welcome. I love questions. So this is how you do. And once you feel the sensation, again, you pull the energy from your hands into your body, into your arms, into your shoulders, into your chest, your abdomen, your groins, your legs, and out of your feet.
Can you show me again, please?
The middle finger into the palm of your one hand and the middle finger of the other hand into the other palm. So these are done in seconds. When you see here, when you feel the energy, when you sense the energy, not feel, when you sense the energy.
Kaval, can you show how to do this one once again, please? Thank you.
Gitu, you've done bars, right? You haven't done bars, Gitu?
I have so many times, but this is the first time I'm doing it on myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you do like this on somebody else's palm, right?
Yeah.
So you do
Acha,
it
like
on the
this.
other hand.
Like this.
Yeah,
Am I
this
doing it
middle
right?
finger in the palm of the other hand, and the middle finger of this hand into the palm of the other hand.
Got it. Got it. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So these three are the energy pulls, and they are done in few seconds, minutes. Once you feel the energy flow in your body, you can go to the points. We have 32 points. So the first point is behind the ear. This is the ear. You put your fingers right next to the ear and you keep going backwards parallel to the ear till you come to a bridge. And right after the bridge is surprisingly, your fingers will go into the notch. There will be three indentations, three toes, three as big as the fingers, and it will go into that. Everybody got that? The same way you put your fingers right next to the ears and keep going backward over the ridge into the notch. This is called the implant band. This is where we have stored all the stuff, most of the stuff. And just by touching it, you will feel the sensation in your fingers, and there your body is going to melt into peace, tranquility. So learning this technique for yourself, for your family, for your friends, and you can become a certified practitioner by just one day. Just one day means 8 hours. You do a bars class, you learn this, and then you become a practitioner and you can run it on people and earn money. Open up greater awareness. Yes. Anju.
Can't hear you.
Anju, you can't hear me?
Kaval, we can't hear you.
Seema is waiting for such a long time. She's writing.
Well, why can't I see them? They have to click, no? I can't see them. They have to click. Please tell them to click on the thing again.
I told them, Kaval, to come
But
back again.
I can't see them. If I can't see them, I can't add them, right?
वो करके फिर बोलो holographic.
Hello, my beautiful friends. Assalamu alaikum.
Are you saying something?
Having a fantastic day.
Hey, Fiza. Fiza, were you saying something to us?
No? Can you hear
Probably she
me?
was on a call.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
we
can.
did.
Okay.
By doing this, you open up great awareness. This will take a long time. It's the energy pulls, you only do it as long as the energy starts moving. But the points, you do it as long as the energy dissipates. The energy might dissipate in 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. Who knows how much?
Kaval, this shifts my energy. Seriously.
It does. Immediately it opens up to great awareness, receiving, joy, space.
And I feel so light.
You melt into you. You melt into
Melt with love.
So guys, this, how long would you like to have it? You can go on till there is no energy. Energy will start showing up, then it builds up. Sometimes you feel so much of heat in your hands. Who all are feeling heat in their hands? Gitu's not even doing it.
No, I did this one earlier, then I stopped.
Did it dissipate the energy? You stop only when it dissipates the energy, when there is no energy there. As long
Not
there is
really.
energy there, you keep having it. You keep doing it.
Okay, I'll continue. Okay.
No, it's a choice. Just because I'm saying it, don't continue.
All right, ma'am.
So it's like gifting yourself.
Yeah.
Or you may want to find some friend who's already done it, or you want to do it with them, or you encourage them to do it so that you can run your bars together. Gifting and receiving. Or you can just soak in the information yourself. And practice it on others. If you don't want to learn it for yourself, there are a lot of facilitators around wherever you are. If you go online, write facilitators, bars facilitators, or practitioners. You will get them online and you can swap. You can run theirs, they will run yours. It's not cure. It's not instant magic. Yet it can be cure and instant magic. But if you are functioning from what will I get from here? Will it cure me? If it doesn't cure me, I don't want it. Your point, we believe in access. Your point of view creates your reality. If you have a point of view that I don't know what's it's going to be. No, I don't know what's it going to be, and the energy is like, wow, adventure, curiosity, magic can show up. But I don't know what it is, and I don't want to do it, and waste of time. Nothing can happen. So would you please lower your barriers and function from curiosity and wonderment only for today?
Yes.
I know many people who have added these bars to their lives and have created magic in their lives. There might be some of them here. There are 21 here, and I'm sure half of them have had, if not more, have had their life change.
Kaval, you are a true inspiration. We have, I've heard your story also. So you're a true inspiration. That's what brings us more to bars.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much. And I know they are truly joyful people after adding bars to their life. I am so grateful. I have no words for the tools that I have received from Access. And what else is possible for ease in the world? If all of us had this tool in our what do you call, Pandora box, or our medicine box, or whatever, cupboard.
Kamal, it is so rightly said by Dr. Dane here that this should have been the first lesson that we were taught.
Yeah. And so this, I hope this little magic tool may get you closer to you, to your house, to whatever they are. So can we go to the next one now? Has the energy
Yes.
dissipated?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Okay, so the next is from the cut, from the ear where this cut here, you put your 3 fingers right up, straight up towards the head, like this, 3 fingers. So the first finger is the money. Then you turn your hands upwards and put like this for people. But this is so uncomfortable. So what I do is you get to the money and then put your 3 fingers like this. For others, for when you do it to people, you will be putting like this because it will be easier for you to put your hands like this for them. So everybody's got it from the cut off, from where the ear is cut, from the head here, put your fingers here, up straight line, 3 fingers. This is money. So you can put your 3 fingers here, money control creatively, as they fall. You don't have to do this. You can do them like this as they fall. Right? So this is money, control, creativity. Both sides. Money, control, creativity. All the things that you have about money, all that you point of views that you have about creativity, all that you think control is, that's not working for you. The electromagnetic charge on that will just dissipate, vanish, and you will have a clear head to know exactly in every now moment what can show up. It has created ease in people's lives. It has created freedom in people's lives about these point of views. Money, ease with money. Just get the energy of it. What would it be like to have no point of view about money and total ease and freedom? In your world, so that you can choose. So you can choose greater. Have those people given up because none of them clicked again? I couldn't add them. Same goes for every point. You put the hands here, the energy will start and then it will go higher, and then maybe your hands will twinkle or feel hot or what, and then the energy will dissipate. And you can allow your hands to go to the next. It's so much of fun that you don't want to go to the next. Who all want to go to the next?
Kaval, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. I love questions.
Yeah, though it's a silly one.
There is no
I've
question.
done-
There is no question which is silly, which is irrelevant, which is stupid, which is small. Question is a question.
Yeah, I have done bars thrice. I don't know, probably now I understand my point of view कि मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता, मुझे कुछ feel नहीं होता, मुझे कुछ sense नहीं होता. But I am like controlling my this thing कि इस बार तो मुझे समझना ही है. 3 बार करके भी क्यों नहीं आ रहा है मुझे? मेरे को कभी ये होता है कि मैं गलत पॉइंट्स टच कर रही हूँ या मुझे फील नहीं हो रहा है. So I'm very, very confused. And now mentally I want to do it, but I really can't explain what's the feeling about it.
So all this 30 minutes, 36 minutes that we have been running, did you get any energy? Did you get any energy?
I just got it on my forehead, that cool feeling. That's it.
And when you put it on the implant band, you didn't get any?
No.
Truth.
Yes, I didn't.
Okay, so you have a point of view that you don't feel energy.
Right.
So how do you go to the toilet?
That's allergic, right? I agree. But why that people say miracle ho jayega? You know, I've been buying this since so many years. That'll be a massage, your life will change with bars. But
It hasn't
I'm
changed.
actually no, I'm just faking it.
Okay. So all these 3 classes that you did, why did you do once you didn't get it for the first one? Why did you do the second?
Again, with the hope that it might change with a good facilitator. Probably I am not prepared. You know, I was
So
self-doubting
do you
myself
know,
throughout.
have you heard that your point of view creates your reality?
Yes, now I'm listening. Since I've started listening to you, you know I have.
So lower your barriers
Okay.
just now by
That
just
is done.
saying they will get lower.
Barriers done. Barriers done. Yeah.
Lower your barriers, all the walls out. Minimum 10 feet away from me, please. All the conclusions that I have about access, about me not getting it, about what it is, about what it will show up, all the expectations, projections, rejections, separations, and judgments I have about me not getting it, about access not gifting to me. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate all of them?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Right, no, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds.
So now, at this moment, how is your body feeling?
Very light.
Is
Very
there any
light.
is there any change?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes.
There is no how, Vani. There is only true choice.
Yeah. I think I need to come to Chandigarh. I don't trust point of views towards Delhi people, Delhi facilitators.
I love you. A tight hug to you. Please come fly in.
Kaval, can I say her something here?
1 minute, Mamta. There are only 2 things that can change your life. One is choice and the other is bars.
One is choice, another is
bars.
okay.
There's nothing on the planet that can change in you anything if you do not want to choose.
Right. I'm choosing it right away.
So, Mamta, now you can go ahead.
She was saying that she is not able to do these bars and all. I would suggest her. We are with Kaval from 10 months for book reading. And I tell you, she is amazing facilitator. You just come in and join. You are going to be out of your world.
Mamta,
Definitely will.
I've got tears in my eyes, darling.
1 hour is like, I don't know. We just wait. उठ जाते हैं 7:45 बजे भी उठ जाते हैं 8 o'clock we are on the this thing closing everything. I finish all my works also. That is amazing. You can try that if you choice.
Definitely.
You must come to Chandigarh tour.
We are starting a book tomorrow. We are starting a new book tomorrow, Diverseless Relationship, and that book is amazing. If you feel like, just jump.
Definitely.
Then
Must join
Absolutely.
it.
talk
You'll
to
have,
Kamal about
your
it.
life will be changed with her.
Yes. There is exchange
Love you
energy for
guys.
that,
I
but it
so
is
love it. Okay, let's
worth it.
stop it before I
Let's
start.
move on to the next point now, I think.
So, thank you very much, guys. I'm so I don't know, I have words. Anyway, so the third point is you got your hands like this, right? So this last finger where you have, put the third finger on that and go 45 degrees down. Everybody got it? These three fingers you had here, the last finger where you had, put your first finger and put your three fingers down 45 degrees behind, from here only. It was here, now you go here, 45 degree down. And one more thing, Vani, I want to tell you, your body knows where the points are. Even if you are here or here or here, they are still running. You cannot do it wrong. If you believe you are doing it wrong, tathastu, that means you are doing it wrong. Your point of view creates your reality. But if you have any, you ask a question, oh, is this a point where I have to be? And if you get a no, then you say, okay, this was money control creativity. This is creativity, creative forms, and creative life forms. What are these three, guys? Creativity, creativity, creative life.
Creating connection.
Yes, thank you, darling. Creating connections and creating life forms. And then you say 3 times where you are, and your hands will go exactly where they're supposed to be. Trust your knowing and trust that universe is with you. So now you have it like this. Down 3 finger or 4, whichever way you want to put. Down from
वो
here
लगता है बाहर ही थी
here, 45 degree down. It's actually just 15 minutes left, so I will just tell you the points so that you can do it again. I will try and put this video on if you will be able to see it. Great.
Sure.
Okay. So the fourth point. Okay, one more thing I'd like to tell you. You have your charts in front of you. You can do this first, that first, whichever one you want to do, shuffle it. No worries. They don't have to be in sequence of what we say and what is in the bars manual. You can have your, what you feel like. That is just a sample for you to give you guidelines. But you can have your own. You can run this first, anyone first, right? I should have got the chart with me. Okay, the next is which, Mamta?
Kamal, aging toaster?
No,
Aging
hopes
toaster.
and dreams.
We do aging toaster like this. We go from this eyebrows, nose, this gap. You go up from this gap to the crown of your head. This we do it for people, but it's so uncomfortable. So I would suggest you do it like this for you. So the same gap here, you go up to the crown like this, the same gap here, and you put your hands on the top of the crown. How do you know it's crown? It's right in line with the ears. Okay? So this is aging toaster. All the points of view you have about aging, they will go away. You can have your own, like I have. You're young at 71, going to be 72. Okay?
I love playing with all these bars. It's so fun.
So much fun. Yeah. So the next is Mamta?
Hopes and dreams forms and structure.
Okay. So there is this temple we call eyebrow के नीचे यहाँ पे एक indentation है. one finger here and the other finger, leaving one finger place in the middle.
हाथ ऊपर करने में
Leave
यहाँ
one
दुख
finger
रहा है
place in the
तो
middle. When you
यहाँ
do
पे
it for
आज
people, you do it like this. But when you do
जेल
it
या
for
वो
yourself, you
दर्द
put
वाला
one
तेल
finger here. You will have to mute yourself.
There's a disturbance. Couldn't hear Kamal.
Yeah, I just muted her. Okay. So you have one finger, these two fingers next to the thumb. You have one finger in the temple here where the eyebrows finish. There's an indentation here. And the other one, you leave one finger space and put the other finger. So these are hopes and dreams and form, structure, and forms and structure. These two. Usually we do these two along with this when we are doing it from there, but here you can just do these two if it is easy for you. Just these two. Hopes and dreams and forms and structure.
Kaval, we can take the little finger and the middle finger here on the form and structure, and other two on awareness and control. The little finger and the tall finger on the thing, and the other two behind for hopes and dreams.
If it is convenient for you, you can.
I tried, it is okay. Yes.
Yeah, she's telling you that you can put these two fingers here and these two on the, here. You had control here, remember?
Yes.
And right above the control is awareness.
Awareness.
So if you can put them like this, I can't. I'd rather have the joy of two. So it depends on what you like. You can do that. There's no harm in it. You can do them all together. You can do them two at a time. It's all up to you. So you do these. Once you've dissipated the energy, then you go to awareness. The fingers have to be like this. They're not like this, but they're like this. Because the awareness is on top of you. You can also have them like this. On control and awareness.
like this?
Yeah. One after the other. Here. Yeah.
Like the gun point.
Yes. That's control and awareness. And then there is this bridging bar, which we usually do it like this for some people, other people, but here you can just do it like this for you. Just 1 inch inside the hairline. Like this.
Like the topi, the cap one, the topi one? That's what you're saying?
No, that is different. This is just like this area.
This area?
Okay. Like this, you can do it like this. Whichever is convenient to you, it's this area. Bridging bars. Okay?
Kaval, if at some bar we can feel lot of energy or that bulging sensation, we should continue to be on that one, right?
As long as it dissipates. It could be 2 minutes, it could be 5 minutes, it could be 10 minutes, depending on how much you want to release or whatever. I don't even know.
Oh, got it.
Right? So the next is there is this, when you put your finger like this next to your ear and open the other finger, wherever this lands, can you all see it? Wherever this lands, there is a two indentations. Your finger next to the ears and the other one, wherever it lands in the hairline, you have two indentations here. This is communication, space and communication. No, this is space and communication, right?
And sadness, joy and sadness.
Joy and sadness.
No. Before that.
Before that,
Okay.
joy and sadness. ऐसे
Okay, I was doing this one. So
two ahead.
after joy and sadness, which one is there?
Kindness and gratitude, peace and calm. And after that is time and space.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, that you can do them whenever you want, wherever you want. It doesn't have to be in sequence.
Okay.
So, okay, we'll go with the sequence like Mamta says. So you put your 3 fingers like this, 2 like this, and 1 on top of it. 2 fingers like this and 1.
Sadness का नहीं बताया, joy और sadness का. Joy, sadness का.
I'm just telling you. So these are the 2 fingers that you have, and you put 1 on top of it. It becomes a triangle, right?
Yes, yes,
It becomes a triangle.
yes.
So from the cut for money, we went up. For joy, peace and calm, you go backwards. From the same cut, you go 4 fingers backwards. Straight line backwards. Here,
Yeah.
you put that triangle. Right? Everybody got it?
Yes, we did.
So there's this, both sides, 4 fingers backwards. You put your... Guys, if anybody knows even better, please let me know. You can add in. If you feel that there is something that I am doing wrong, or not wrong really, but that you have a better idea, please let me know. So this is where you go. This is peace, calm, kindness, peace and calm, right?
Yes, kindness, gratitude, peace and calm.
Thank you, kindness,
Kaval,
gratitude, peace and calm.
And as we do this, the first finger only, as in the middle finger only touches the bar, and the rest two rest on our finger, right? That's what you said.
No, they all 3 touch.
Okay,
They
like
all 3 touch.
Look at this. Is it like this? Am I doing it right?
Yeah, so put all these 3 here because there are 3 of them.
Cool. Cool. Thank you.
So that's the kindness, gratitude, peace and calm. Once the energy dissipates there, you come to where I was earlier telling you, put your finger next to your ear, line with the ear, and wherever the second finger comes in line with the hairline, you have 2 indentations here. This is space and communication. So it might take you an hour or an hour and a half, depending on how fast they dissipate. And you always have a world a bit different. So now you have these 2 fingers here, right? So leave this finger here only, lift this one up, leave this finger here only for when you're doing it for the client, and you pick up the head like a coconut. You put this finger here and you pick up the head like a coconut. You're this. What's your name? Kavita, please have it muted, darling. I muted it. Please have it muted. Thank you. So this is here, and you lift up the client's head in your hand, and the pinky goes right at the power band, and your thumb is in line with your eyebrows. So this is when you do it for the client. But now how do you do it for yourself? You just lift your head like this, or you put your thumbs here and lift your head like this. Or you can put your chichi here, whatever is comfortable to you. The aim is to have one finger here at the space, and you have to have your hand picking up your head, the back of your head in your hand. However you can do it.
Is it okay if we keep the thumb here and take the hand like this?
This is perfect. That's how I do it.
Thank you.
It's more convenient for me to do it like this. But there's some people do it like this. That's also okay, depending on how convenient it is for you. But aim is to have one finger here and you're clutching your back of the head. This has to be done, guys. This is restructuring. If you don't do this, like in computer, you delete files, and when you delete it from recycle bin, then it's completely gone. So this is for that. This is for completely letting it go. Otherwise, we are such amazing creators, we bring it back. Whatever we let go, we bring it back. If you really don't want all that shit to come back, then you do this restructuring where all the bars that you ran earlier, all that you released and let go of, would completely let go of. So restructuring is a must. The energy pulls, maybe one, not all three, and the restructuring is important. Inside, you can run one bar, you can run all of them, depending on the time you have. Be kind to yourself. If you just want to run money bar, run one energy pull, run money bar, restructuring, and you're done. You're feeling anxious about your body. Oh, we left this joy, sadness. So when we do it for the client, we do it like this, joy and sadness in the middle of the eyebrows and straight parallel line on the head. So whatever is convenient to you, you can do this. We do this after, I think, aging toaster, but you can do it anytime. But before the restructuring, all the points have to come in before the restructuring. Right? Everybody getting it, guys? And then you have वो जो मोहम्मदन टोपी पहनते हैं यहाँ, so that is circle of manifestation. So you put your hand like this or like this, whichever is convenient to you. You put your hands like this and it runs in, you will feel it running it in circle. And when it dissipates, you lift up your hand. And what do you have after that, Mamta?
Tunnel of time and space.
Okay, so tunnel of time and space is open your fingers as big as the eyebrows. Put it in the middle of the forehead, not touching it, but over it. And after putting it there for a while, maybe few seconds, you will start to feel a cool breeze on your forehead. Even if you don't make it significant. So you then lift it forward. And you're done. Mamta, please mute yourself, darling. Right? And then you have opening the crown chakra. And then you lift there. This also you don't have to touch your head. You just like that. And you open your crown. You will know how far to go. Maybe it's done here for some. Maybe it's done here for some. Maybe it's done here for some. And then you open it. That's how we run the bars. It might take an hour. It might take 1 hour, 1.5 hours. But your world will look different. How does it look now? Though we just haven't done it the way we could have done it. I was talking too much in the beginning.
Self-reliant.
Very nice.
Very nice and self-reliant.
This
Kaval,
is
recording.
masturbating yourself.
Yes, absolutely.
Loved it.
Yeah, so how much do you like? Depends on how many times you do it.
Yeah. Just thank you so much. It was lovely.
Thank you so
Well,
much.
it's 9 recording. Then we
So the
can talk.
bars are not bars are a sort of my secret weapon, my brain reset if I want to.
Okay.
And I can use it at any time. So joy and sadness is usually we do it for clients. We put 2 fingers here and then we put a parallel thing, parallel one straight line here. So you can even do it like this. You can do it like this. What you can do like this? You can just run them separately, these two and these two. This is joy and sadness. This is body and sexuality. Anybody who's not having fun can just put their body and sexuality here and allow
And
yourself
just
to
press
have
once.
fun. There is some music going on somewhere. Can you please close it? Please be careful, darlings. You will not get the good recording if you're not mute. There are 2 culprits here, Mamta and Gitu. So guys,
Sorry.
any questions?
There's
After
this
this joy,
statement.
after
Sorry,
this
go
joy and
ahead.
peace, we have to gain a restructure, right?
All these points, 32 points, after energy pull have to come 2, 4, 1, 5, whichever one you want to choose at one point of time. After that, please do restructuring.
Okay.
If
Maybe
you do
twice.
one, you just do one, body and sexuality. You're in a hurry, you're not having fun. Just do that.
Suppose I forget.
And do the
Suppose
restructuring and you're done.
Suppose I've done the restructuring, then if I like remember one point, I do it again, then do again, right? Twice.
Okay.
Restructuring.
Yeah.
Kawal, एक बार restructuring थोड़ा बता देंगे, please.
Okay, this is restructuring and having your finger, the thumb here would be fine, would be good. You can have your chichi here and do it. Only thing in restructuring is that you have to have a finger at the space and you have to carry your nut in your hand. So whatever works for you, whichever is convenient to you.
Maybe thumb or TT.
Whatever.
Heard it after so long, TT.
I know. I think I also was forgetting in between.
Kaval, I was saying there is this command written below my access bar card which says when we are not able to locate a particular bar. So can you can we talk about this?
I did talk about it. Where were you? I was telling Vani that when you can't find it, trust yourself, ask the bar to show you where it is 3 times and your hands will move to where it is.
Yeah, this I got, but I remember in my first bar class, there was this command that my facilitator used.
You tell me?
I'll tap into the knowing. I guess it was something run.
Name of the bar and holographic mutation.
No,
If
that
blank
Mamta, let's not go there.
yeah.
Because this
Sorry.
is the beginning. This is just the bars. We can add on many things to it. Once you get your bars run, then you can add many things that we can add to it. But this was only of the bars.
Sure, I'll go back to my manual and I'll find it. Thank you.
So everywhere you make it significant. Your body knows when you're getting your bars run, your body will run. But usually the facilitators say, money control KTT, turn on and run.
Yes, yes.
If you want to say it, fine. If you just keep it there, they are listening. Body is more aware and conscious than we give its credit. We give credit to
Got it. Thank you. And one last thing, there are certain bars that we can run in the night and give a command. So if we can talk about that.
Okay, so at night you can run 3 bars. Don't run all your bars, guys, together. You can only run 3 bars. You should only run 3 bars, because when you tell all your bars to run together, you can get a headache. It's a lot of energy, especially for a person who is just joined, who hasn't done bars earlier. Even for me, I've done it for 9 years. I will never tell all the bars to run at the same time. I will choose which one I want to run. You can choose it every day, something new, or you can choose it for 1 month and see how it turns out. So if you want to choose money control creativity, you just say power band. You just say, you don't have to do anything. You just say power band, connect with money control creativity, and run dynamically all through the night. You can do this command to your bars to run the whole night long, and they will. Or you can say just power band connect with implant band and run. It's not that you have to have 3 bars. You can just run 1 bar, depending on which one you want to choose. You always have a choice, guys.
Well, I didn't understand about the power band.
What did you not understand?
What is power band?
Oh my God. Power band we started with. This is the power band where the neck finishes and the head starts. That is the first thing we do. Power band and third eye. That's the energy that we, when we pull the energy. That's the power band.
So you said power band and such run. What is that? You do it or what is?
You just say it at night if you want to run 3 bars while you're sleeping. There is no how, there is no right, there is no explanation. It's just how it is done. Now, bars, what are bars and what you have to experience it.
Thank you so much, Kaval. I got it. Thanks.
So when you choose to experience the bars class or the bars from somebody else, your life begins to unfold in amazing and magical ways. That is true to you. That's normal, but you've forgotten. Isn't it fun to find out what else is possible? Step up. Create the life that you desire with awareness and choice.
Kaval, when you say 2 bars in the night, so we say implant band connect with money bar. So that is 2 bars, right? Or that is 1?
You tell me, are they 2 different or they are 1?
Actually, they are 2 different. But when I'm saying money connect to implant band.
I'm not saying to implant. You don't connect to implant band. You connect to power band.
Power band. Okay.
Power band.
Yeah.
You connect to power band. You have all your power there. You are now telling the universe, you're telling your body to run these dynamically all night long. That is where your power is. Learn to receive and shed limitations. Could your life be more magical then? Just imagine. Or are you afraid of change? Who all are here afraid of change? Or ready to receive more? Go beyond.
Ready to receive more.
Ready to receive more and go beyond.
And who likes change or who doesn't like change? Honestly, truth.
I don't like change.
So that could be one reason that the bars are not a great contribution to you. Are you willing to receive the contribution?
Yes, I am.
So all the points of view that you have about change, would you be willing to let them go out of the window
please.
now, right away, right now?
Yes, please.
All eternity. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, popcorn, all my short boys and beyond? You invested in bars 3 bars classes. My God. And you don't like change. Bars is change. So everywhere you're resisting the change, which would open up infinite possibilities of more happiness, more good health, better flow of money, caring, nurturing, relationship, and abundance in every area of your life. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys, and beyond.
Kamal, can you talk 2 minutes about our tomorrow's book?
Tomorrow we have relationship book. My God, it's divorce-less relationship. How often do you divorce yourself to receive relationships? What if you could have a divorce-less relationship? Would you be willing to join me tomorrow? Join us tomorrow? Our book club, all those who would like to join in, please let me know so that I can add you.
Kamal, what's the timing of the book read?
Same time.
Same time. And it's on weekends also?
Every day. Only on Sunday we have another call, which is free, which is fun aging. So
Yeah,
we
fun
have it
aging
throughout
after.
the year, every day, 8 o'clock in the morning.
All right, perfect.
So if you can tolerate me every day, 8 o'clock in the morning, you're welcome.
Yes, please.
Come
Please
on,
tell me
we
the E
welcome
or I
you.
can
Yeah.
The
message you personally.
the energy exchange is 3,000. We don't have any dates. We don't have any days. We just know how to start. And when the book finishes, we finish the book.
Perfect.
So it can go to 20 days. It can, it can go to 20. We've maximum gone for 1 month. Isn't it? 27, 28 days. So it depends. This is a thick book. I don't know.
Kaval, as me, we have done this book with you. So yesterday, Priyanka Jadwani and we met. So just a humble request that if the next book can be magic, it's coming again and again in my world. So because I've done Divorceless, so I'll then come back to when we do the next one, if it's possible.
Actually, it's like this, that we believe we've done something.
Okay.
But actually, we have ever done something. There's always more to open to it. And relationship is one thing that we have never done.
I hear you.
Opens
Yes,
doors.
absolutely.
Every time I read it, I've read it 1 or 2 times myself. I've read it in my book clubs. Every time it opens a different door for me.
Okay.
So just close your eyes and ask yourself if this is going to be of any contribution to you.
Sure.
If
I
you
will.
like, go ahead with it. If you don't, it's okay.
And this book with you also, we are doing it again.
Maximum people have asked for divorceless relationships.
Yes, we are doing it again.
We go with
Mamta.
we
Yeah, I
go
remember
with the
Mamta was there earlier.
majority. We go with the majority.
Yes. Actually, there are 4. Yeah, sure.
I have a paper book.
Yeah, same here.
Long time back. I bought so
Magic also seems to be good. Perhaps after this we can do the magic.
Yeah, that will do. That
Yeah,
also I
we
have.
can do that.
Yeah.
We can do that.
It's a
After.
very chota book. Yeah, we'll do that.
So are you
Kamal, I have a
willing to?
question.
Yes, please.
I don't have the book, so how will
To
it be possible?
get it online, you can get it in no time. When you want Kindle version, you can have it on your phone.
And I don't know what is Kindle also.
You just go to Play Store, write Kindle, download it.
Okay.
And then go to from Kindle, go to, they'll say search the book on top, write down divorceless relationship. It'll take you to Amazon and you buy that.
All right, perfect. I'll do that.
It is very easy.
I've learned something today.
Kaval,
Yeah, thank you. I've learned it.
Kamal, once we finish that book, Divorce Relationship, we'll do this facelifting also.
Yeah, why not? Why
Kaval,
not?
I'm proud of you. You're becoming a tech geek, darling. Mwah.
Yeah, I am. I am really.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for being here.
Can we do a hug?
Love
Can we
you
do a
all.
group hug? Let's do
Yeah,
a group hug.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Let's do a group hug.
Okay. Let's all give a hug to ourselves first and it flows to everybody else.
मुझे आफ्टर बार्स कमल अपनी शक्ल अच्छी लगनी शुरू होगी बहुत.
Good morning.
Okay.
Thank you for Kaval giving us bars today. Thank you.
Thank you for asking, Mamta. Thank you for asking, darling.
That was my ask. Yeah. Thank you. Love you.
So just one, I'll leave you with one question. So do you remember the last time in your life when you were totally relaxed and nurtured and cared for?
Yes.
Kamal, repeat it, please.
Do you remember the last moment in your life when you were totally nurtured, relaxed, and cared for?
Today.
Is now the moment?
Yes.
Yes.
So you can nurture and care and for yourself by running your bars.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
I went back.
How cool is that? You don't have to wait for anybody.
I went back, but I couldn't find. And today's the moment, when I actually liked this bars.
Don't worry about people showing up. Never give up, never give in, never quit. The most important thing is to start now.
Yeah.
Kaval, I got my aha moment. Thank you.
So it's in your hands. You can do it. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks a
Bye.
lot.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.